Now there is other things that I need to do, such as change out my wiper blades, and I need to change out these headlights. Headlights might have to be a next week item, guys. I don't want to push it off that far, but I can't do all of this in one video today. I would like to, because this customer wants other things done to this car, and one of them I have to send the car out to get it done. And it's called the fishbowl delete. It's where you don't look like a fish inside of a bowl. You guys get the idea. So to change out our wiper blades, I'm going to press a tab from underneath. This should disconnect the wiper blade. Okay. So here's our old one. And the reason we're changing this is the rubber on the blade is folding over. When it folds over, it's not going to wipe the window very cleanly. And you can usually tell is if you have plastic on it and it's rubbing on the back side, that means it's scraping on the window. Now, this window has some cracks in it. They do need to replace this glass, but we can go ahead and clean this up and get new blades on it so it actually works right. So if you have a Honda Accord, let's say an 03, you're going to have two different size wiper blades. I use the Rain-X Latitude blade. This is a beam style blade, meaning it doesn't have the weird pinch points like a normal wiper blade does. And these will work good in very cold weather. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So my producer said the video is looking awesome, guys. That's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to upgrade everything and bring you guys a lot higher quality. And then we will work on additional content for you guys. So this one has a tab right here that you unsnap like this. You can slide your wiper blade in, then you click this closed. That's how it holds on to the wiper arm. Okay, and it clicks in too. So it clicked in, when I pushed it up, it clicked in, and then I folded that tab back down. That's how the wiper blade went back in. The only reason I bring up wiper blades, guys, this is the most basic thing you can do in your driveway that really does help you drive in bad weather.